Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dua when leaving the house. Hazrat Anas bin Malik reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says when leaving his house, Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. It will be said to him, you are guided, defended and protected. The shaitan will go far away from him. And Abu Dawood in his narration added these words too. One shaitan will say to another, how can you deal with a person who has been guided, defended and protected? The translation of this dua is, in the name of Allah, I have placed my trust in Allah. There is no might and no power except by Allah. This hadith is narrated by Abu Dawood and Tirmidhi. Jazakallahu khairan.